Alis ang paa, baba. Baka tinataas lagi paa mo, Kuya Arkin.
Do you know?
Anong do you know?
There's a new Samsung car.
What kind of core?
The Samsung car can fly.
Car o core?
Car.
Ah, car.
The Samsung car.
Sus, invento ko na naman.
It can fly. It has.
Meron na sa Japan and Arkin.
I already know.
Delivery using
I already know that.
tawag
Bullet
dito?
train. And also bullet train.
No. Ano to? Drone. Nagdi-deliver na sila ng mga drone dun sa Japan, Arkin.
I already know.
Tagal na. Europe ata nagagano na rin yung ibang country.
I already know that.
Sa mga highly condensed country.
I already know that. But here in the Philippines, the first car that can fly.
Oh, ano yun?
The Samsung car.
Yung Samsung mukha mo.
1,000 Samsung TVs. And then there's also 1,000 Samsung microwaves.
Baba ang paa. At na tayo. Mabora na tayo, Arkin.
There's also 100 Samsung microwaves. You can actually fly in the cars. And it's super cheap. It's only 1 pesos. I'm just kidding, it's 12 pesos. More cheaper than that. It's actually 1 centavos.
In 200
Mga
meters,
lin.
turn left onto
The
alternate
Samsung
road,
car
onto
that
an
can
Imperial
fly
Street.
only costs 1 centavos.
Tingnan mo yung Rainaway. Ganda oh.
Continue on Albay 647 for 800
Arkin
meters.
ganda
Yeah.
Hindi kailangan mag-wiper agad. Galing Arkin raindrops Kita mo?
Not today.
Not today, ano yun? Not today talaga, ano? Ano to? LCC, ano to?
So easy.
Baha na dito.
No, so baha.
Baha pa na
It's
dito.
raining got me. It's not raining in Manila anymore.
Sorry kayo, papupunta ko pa lang ng gym ni kahapon. Kaya nitong dumaan sa baha ulit.
It's not raining in
In
Manila
200 meters,
anymore.
turn right onto
Ano
Albay
raining in Manila?
647
Ah,
for
kanta.
Candler Drive.
Yeah, but it's raining in Legazpi.
Turn right onto Albay 647 for Candler Drive.
Ano yun?
Continue on Albay 647 for 1.5 kilometers.
Thunder.
Thunder. Are you still afraid of the thunder?
Not anymore.
Very good.
God is angry.
It's not God, it's
Cloud.
no. Tatas
Sky?
car wash. Ano dito?
Who's making the thunder? Who's making the thunder? Who makes the thunder? Dad?
No.
Angels? Clouds? See? You said don't do that anymore. You're cheating.
Cheating ka din. Okay lang yun.
There's so many raindrops.
Baha pa lang talaga.
You know, Squid Game released the season 100. Did you watch the Squid Game season 100 already?
No.
It's super good.
Bago ito, may kabayo sa Marison. May kabayo, Arkin, oh.
I didn't know. Hey!
Did you see that?
Is that a girl?
Girl ka dyan.
Girl kabayo?
Hindi dumaan na. Moto.
Okay.
No, baby, yes, I'm ready to jump. I'm ready to jump. No, baby, yes, I'm ready to jump.
In 200 meters, turn left after La Roca Veranda Suites and Restaurant onto Gobon, Bono Bypass Road. Turn left after La Roca Veranda Suites and Restaurant onto Gobon, Bono Bypass Road. In 500 meters, turn right onto Duraga Legacy Diversion Road, Legacy Diversion Road.
So much rain. That's so much rain that Legazpi has flooded. In Manila, it was floods.
Yes.
Why?
Because it's Manila, most of the parts in Manila are below sea level. Meaning if this is the sea level, Manila is like this or lower than. Meaning there's a heavy rain that will get flood.
Oh, so we're safe.
Hmm?
We're safe.
Not all.
Turn right onto Duraga Legacy
There's also
Diversion Road, Legacy
there's also
Diversion Road.
another weird way to get a flood is if everyone keeps on throwing garbage at the lakes.
Yeah.
Because that will cause so much
In
dirt.
400
The
meters,
fish,
turn left after 3J
fish
Store
are
onto
gonna
Beacon
die.
630, Daraga, Legacy City, Tiwi Road, Legacy City, Tiwi Coastal Road, Veneranda Street.
The poor fish are gonna die. After the flood is gonna.
Andamore City Homes, Unit Scott.
Turn left after 3J Store onto Beacon 630, Duraga,
3J Store na
Legacy
yan.
City,
3J
Tiwi
Store
Road,
dito.
Legacy City,
Don't
Tiwi
get
Coastal
it.
Road, Veneranda
Ito dati
Street.
3J Store ata ito dati. Lagi yan pag nakakalaw dito, 3J Store. 3J Store yan.
Maybe that's the 3G store.
That's Dunkin's, not 3J.
Continue on Beacon 630 for 25 kilometers.
Have you ever witnessed
Yes, several times, and I'm still studying medicine.
But did you see it before? In
Yeah.
person?
In person, yes. But I'm still studying medicine in Manila.
Oh, okay.
We always get flood, especially in Valenzuela. When I'm studying there.
Why does Manila always flood? Is it because it's too advanced and
No, it's because
there's no trees?
yes, there's no trees.
Because there's no light,
For all urban planning.
there's no nature. Manila is just a city, and it's a different landform.
Hindi mo nakanakuya. Ito na, mabaha talaga dito sa Mariners. Ayan. Lagi ditong baha.
Fountain. It's flooded. It's flooded.
Ang kahoy-kahoy dito. Hindi na yun na ata ay nano. Ala, baha na yung tricycle. Naabot na yung tricycle. Wala, dapat dito, ano to? Maayos yung mga kanal. Oh, itong school na to, binabaha talaga to. Wala namang maayos na kanal. Dapat may ayos ang kanal na ito.
Why is there so many water?
Cute ng Wigo, bagong Wigo na to. Modern tingnan. Cute.
Is it your baby?
No.
Does Legazpi sometimes flood?
Always.
Always, but is it heavy? Floods?
Heavy flood? I don't know.
Maybe like just a tiny.
Anong tiny?
No, just kidding.
Ito palang Civil Service Commission ng Legazpi.
There at the back, we sometimes flood there in the back. Sometimes.
Ang ganda oh, ano to? Jetour? Ano yun? Parang Jetour. When the music starts, you're never gonna stop. You gotta drive me crazy. Music keeps the people come together. Yeah. Music makes the closure.
In Manila, it's always traffic.
Yes.
Just because of they're doing all to work.
Yes.
So,
Hindi. Maliit kang Wigo, kakaya ka dyan. Ang laka ng bubuling truck.
Oh, traffic. Is that traffic? Is that traffic?
Wala, ang tagal na naman to. may tubig dito. Hindi na sa dulo. Thank you.
Okay, sorry.
Diyan mo na yan.
Oh, look at this car. Why is it going here? If it's going here,
Yeah, pabayaan mo lang.
it's a chicken. Oh, look at that. Oh, flat traffic.
Amuyin mo, bango.
Smells like Christ.
Hmm?
Smells like the smell of Jesus.
Mm-hmm.
When he was
This is
crucified.
all the way from Rome.
From Rome? Oh yeah, from
Yes.
Italy.
Yeah,
From
Italy.
Rome is a place from Italy.
Yes.
Did you
A
got
country within a country. What is it?
a country within a country.
Oh. And a city within a city.
A city within a city.
A country within a country is Rome.
A
And
country.
Vatican City is within a city.
Did you go to Italy?
Baha oh, dito oh, Arkin oh.
Oh yeah.
Wawaman oh.
It's Italy. It's Italy. Did you go to Italy?
Not yet. I don't have budget for that.
Okay, where did you get Italy food? Someone gave
Comes
you
from
that?
my friend, a good friend of mine.
Did they go to Italy?
They stopped by there during the cruise.
How?
Hmm?
How? Someday I can go to America.
Maybe yes.
Is America the most people living on Earth?
Hmm?
Is America the most most
Populous?
people?
No, it's India.
India? Who in India? It's not India. But the most advanced with gadgets country is Japan. Go. Hey, Auntie Raja. Just kidding. Just kidding. What happened? Is the truck not moving? Is the truck not moving? Why?
The ano, truck? Not yet
Truck
moving.
there. Why?
Because it's still traffic. It's just a one-way road.
We don't the the car there and there. See, they move. They move. They move.
Ayan na.
Go 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 go
It's
go
done.
go 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 go. Oh no, they're gonna be mad at us because we didn't move.
Bayaan mo yan.
Oh, traffic again. Oh, just kidding. Alright.
Ay, dito ka lang naman pala. Kakaliwa ka lang naman pala Mitsubishi ka nito. Unahan ka pa. Baka naman napapatain na siya. Sige lang, kuhawa naman. Yan ang iisipin mo lagi, Raya, kapag may nang sisingit sa iyo. Either napapapupo na yan. O kaya naiihi na, kuhawa naman. Dapat ito, ma-road widening tong area na ito. Puro bahay na ako sa tong side na to. Oh. Buti na, dumadaan ngayon?
Oh my god. Wow. Traffic. I hate traffic. Red light. Stop.
Si Ivan. Toxic ito ka-duty si Ivan. May kalawit din yan, katulad ko. May kalawit lagi ng kamatayan. Oh, ano yan? May dumadaan. Ano to? Saan to dadaan? Ano to? Saan pupunta?
Huh?
Babalik? Ano siya babalik ng Legazpi? Ano meron sa kanya? Ay, gago to oh.
Which one? The jeep?
Gago yung jeep. Bobo.
Can you play Macarena?
Oh, big bike.
Can you play Macarena? Can you play Macarena?
Macarena?
Yeah, Macarena.
Hey Google, please play Macarena on Spotify.
Okay.
Ang laki ng ano, kidlat. Katakot.
Playing on Spotify.
Ay, ganda oh. Ano to, BYD? Yan. Ano yun? BYD yun? Ganda nun ah.
It's not expensive.
Ha?
It's not expensive.
Yes.
Hey, it's a small car. Dude.
Oh, 1,
Oh.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, go.
Macarena.
Ah. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Slide. Oh, 1, 2. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. Hay! Diyos ko sa Arkin. Kabisaduhin mo Arkin ha, assignment mo yan.
Stop teasing. Oh yeah, thank you. Thank you. Macarena. Manila. Where's what? Where's
Remix naman na yun. Oh, go! 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Slide!
I?
Oo ko sa'yo, Ark.
I. Hi. I learned the Macarena song from movie
What movie?
Chanchavilla.
Ha?
Chanchavilla.
Cynthia Villar? Ano yun?
Chanchavilla. It's where I learned the Macarena. Don't get me. Whatever, I'm gonna think, I'm gonna think, hey, Inga. Traffic, what's the vehicle there at the end? What's he doing?
Alin po?
The vehicle there at the last.
It's still waiting because still red. Oh, tingnan mo oh, yung traffic light oh, red, di
Oh,
ba?
yes. Oh my
So
God.
when it's turned red, what
You
we're gonna
stop,
do? You
stop.
stop. Very good.
Let them there at the left. Let them go here.
Yes.
And after that, when it turns green, we'll all go. And we
Oh.
gonna... Oh my God, we're gonna be just chilling in the car. Are we gonna fell asleep here?
Ikaw, sleep ka muna.
We can...
Para pagkagising mo, nasa ano ka na? Nasa tabako ka na. Ha? No, that's not food. Ang food na naman nasa isip.
Oh, gonna think, when I first hear the Macarena song from the movie, I sing that.
I'm calling Gloria. Gloria.
Who's Gloria? Is it your friend? Gloria.
No, it's a song.
Give me the light and start pooping. Red light, still the red light. Well, we got
Or kamalikot target.
okay. What's this?
Hmm? That's
You know?
filter.
What?
Filter yan, Arkin.
What do you do with the filter?
Oo. Filter siya ng ano, microbes.
What's a microbes?
Hmm?
What's a microbes?
Microbes could be disease causing or non-disease causing
What is
infection.
the causing and what's causing?
Gloria. Sigma Fraternity 1972.
Now? Hey. It's 10:50. It's 10:53. Gonna be 11 o'clock.
Yeah.
Traffic should be so long. I think this traffic light is broken.
Gloria.
Gloria, 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 Gloria.
Ay, check nga para si Van. Ay, wala.
Oh. Gloria, Gloria.
Today is February 8, 2026. Papasok ko naman ng February. Ay, pwede ko na nakikita sa lalawigan ng Camarines Norte. Dito po sa aking kinalalagyan dito sa Batangas Awitan Pathway, abot hanggang naegnago ang tubig mga kapamilya. So paalala po muli sa ating mga motorista, mga tricycle drivers na hindi na po nakakaraan po dito. Pwede po sa kabilang daan makakaraan pa po. Pero dito po sa pinalalagyan ko sa dinaraan ng mga Tango Awitan Pathway, hindi na po makakaraan. Grabe po ang lalim. Ano, simula pa naman kahapon ay wala
Where's
pa
that?
paulan hanggang ngayon.
Sa amin yan doon, sa area.
Oh. Stop now. Gloria, 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 Gloria. So Gloria, 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 Gloria. I want to play Gloria again. Gloria.
Ayun ang
Okay.
next. Ganyan ka dapat, Arkin, na nagma-mountain bike ka o para pumayat ka.
Washing mommy. Okay, no more air conditioner.
Yun, green na.
No more aircon. Yes, finally. God, thank you, God. All right in time. It's 11 o'clock. Oh, thank you, God. Thank you. Thank you, God. Oh,
Move yourself and
Petrol, yeah.
yourself.
Yeah. Road work ahead. They're not even working on the road. It's still stayed like that forever. Okay. Should always
4x4
recycle.
na nga muna tayo.
Oh.
Ano we go? Bilis, bilis.
Oh!
Para pa dito.
Big tractor.
Oh. It's alright. Alright. Let's theory. Bulbs, more parts and exist. Share the sparks of light.